Welcome to our next session. Your role as technicians is vital, and by mastering these manual override procedures, you'll enhance the safety and efficiency of our operations. Before we dive into the procedures, let's focus on a critical step: safety. Always ensure that overriding equipment won't harm guests, staff, or systems. It's essential to confirm that the equipment is safe to turn on or off. Once you've established safety, it's time to log in. Use your assigned credentials, such as manager, and enter the password. Typically, the defaults are either 0000 or 1234. This ensures that only authorized personnel can make changes. Turning override on, step by step. Now, let's go through the process of turning the override on, step by step. First, as always, check safety to confirm that overriding won't cause any harm. Make sure the equipment is indeed safe to turn on or off. Once you've verified that, log in using your credentials. Remember, maintaining security is key, so enter the password accurately. This foundational step sets the stage for safe and effective operation. Turning override off. Next, we'll discuss how to turn the override off. Start by selecting the overridden equipment, which will be indicated by a yellow icon. Once you've selected it, switch to the automatic mode by clicking on the appropriate option. Don't forget to save your changes. Once saved, the icon will return to its normal color, indicating that everything is back to its automatic settings. Lastly, always log out of the system after making adjustments. This is essential for maintaining security. Equipment-specific tips. Now, let's share some equipment-specific tips that can make your work easier. For soakers and misters, remember to override them using the misting icon. When handling variable speed fans, avoid setting the speed below 20% to prevent potential motor strain. This is crucial for their longevity. Lastly, when working with curtains, never override them during storms or high winds. Safety must always come first. Tools and consumables. In manual override procedures for equipment control, essential tools include a hand crank for manual operation, an override switch for bypassing automated systems, and a safety lockout-tagout kit to ensure safe maintenance practices. These tools are crucial for effective manual control and safety. Thank you for your attention and commitment to learning about operating procedures for UPS systems. Join our comprehensive HVAC courses designed to equip you with the confidence and in-depth knowledge needed to excel in any 5-star hotel or facility. Register on our HEGSDC.com LMS portal today and complete your course to receive your certification immediately.